of these niggas be on you. Only say like me, yeah. But if you call and you talk to a girl, I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, yeah. Waste your time, baby. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You gon' giving you what you need. Waste your time, baby. You can have all the space, all that you need. Ain't no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them.
What is good, TV gang? My name is Not. This is my channel, and in this channel we talk about anything and everything, leaving no stone unturned, baby. And if versatility is your silent child, stick around because Gumnandala Kai, it's always a vibe, okay? And as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a vlog at a new place, as you guys can probably tell. Yeah, so I'm on vacation, yeah, you know, mini vacation or whatever at the Blyde. So I thought I'd just take you guys with and show you the experience. I must say, we chose the wrong days to be this side because the weather is gloomy, child. There is no sun or whatsoever. It's been raining since forever. So we got here last night actually, and we are here for 4 days 3 nights. So yeah, this is the first official day at the Blyde Crystal Lagoon or whatever, and I'll just show you guys around, show you what we get to. We're probably not gonna get too much because it is raining. We can't even go to the beach side. We probably are gonna go to the beach side, but we can't obviously swim or like get in the water because it is cold and I'm not trying to get flu or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, let me give you guys a little tour or whatever. Let me increase the volume. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Obviously, you're getting the door, they're tidy. So yeah, this is the kitchen and cupboard space. And the fridge. We have nothing in the fridge because we just got here and we haven't bought shit. So yeah, and then this side, a lot of cupboard space. Those tea and coffee things, containers, storage, whatever you call it. The stove, it is touch screen or whatever. Actually it's not, it's just flat base. And then with this, and there's a flower here, cute, and some wine glasses. I don't think we'll be drinking wine though. I mean, the sink, a lot of covered space. Let me open here. There is the bin and like everything else you'd need to like wash dishes and stuff. And then we have the washing. What is this actually? Dishwasher? I think so. Is this a dishwasher? How do you open this? Oh, this is a dishwasher. Okay. I don't think we'll be using that either. And then a washing machine, your microwave, and then a lot of cupboard space. I really like these cupboards, whatever these things are. Cupboard space. There isn't much there. Then a hand sanitizer, obviously, because COVID. And then when you come here, it is the lounge area. This is the sofa, and then a beautiful portrait. I wish I was there. Actually no, I like it here. So yeah, a beautiful portrait, and then obviously the couch, the table or whatever, and then that is our view from the side. It has a balcony and whatever. I'll go show you guys that. I mean, this is this side, nice and cute and sentimental or whatever. Our masks, obviously, because we live in COVID. And then there's the mirror. I think this mirror is very cute. I already took pictures in here, on this mirror, and then I'll show you guys right here and right here. Yeah, whatever. And then let me show you guys the balcony. So when you get out of the house, this is what you see. The mini setup for the balcony or whatever. Some plants, you know, some nature. I don't think these are real. Thought as much. They aren't real. And then you see obviously Oma Kelwane. And y'all can see the weather. Ciao. The weather is gloomy. I mean, our backyard or someone else's backyard, but I think we can go to the backyard if you wanted to. And then people's cars, and then the side, and then I'm drying my clothes there because child, I'm a mess. And then this goes into the bedroom. I hope you're not seeing anything because there's someone getting dressed that day. That goes to the bedroom, and then I'll show you guys the bedroom when usisi eseqedile ukugcoka. Yar. Okay, let me just show you guys the bedroom. This is a bedroom. It should be like tidier than this, but someone's getting dressed in here, so this is the bedroom, and that is the mirror. This is me. I don't know why I talk about like this recently. Actually, I do know why. Ulenzi and her friends are the influence.
In the same dress I wore on Christmas, everyone was on the bees.
What's going on?
It's yogurt.
Hi everyone, my name is Cassandra and I'm here to show you my outfit. Oh no!
But like, yeah, side lamp, normal stuff, guys, normal bedroom essentials. I mean, the curtains, nice and cute, and then obviously it goes back to the balcony. A lot of cupboard space, actually a whole lot of cupboard space. A whole lot of cupboard space. And then my suitcase. Yeah, because I packed like we're here for like weeks and we only here for like 3 nights. May I use the bathroom? Okay, this is the bathroom. This is obviously covered space. There's a lot of covered space here. More towels, extra towels. I love that. Then a towel, obviously, and this is me. I look cute over in my onesie because Mina planned for the weather and I knew it was gonna be cold, unlike some people I know of. And then these like our bath towels and my socks and whatever. I mean, normal bathroom essentials, guys. Another flake pants. Either way, I love the vibe. And then the shower, pretty small than what I'm used to, but like it's okay. Yeah, we average body type, so. And then a whole lot of extra toilet paper. I love that. Love. And then there's these cute things. I don't know what this is. I think it's to put like your toothbrush. Oh, actually it is. Okay. That cute thing. And then a hand wash. Cute, man. Cute. Okay, y'all. See happy? Where are we going? Are we going to buy food or to look for a restaurant? No, I'm gonna cook for tonight, not for now. Okay. Okay, y'all. I don't know what we're doing. Okay, actually, we're undecided. So we're gonna go look for food and then look for food. We're gonna go by a restaurant nearby. Apparently there's one or two or more, so we're gonna look for that, and then we'll go buy food outside a restaurant after that. Yeah, stay tuned. There's my body shaking more. And we must go swim, so she's up on beach. Let's just like copy.
I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. It's your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. It's your time. It's your time to be. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's so worth it if you got time to wait.
Oh, it's better now. It's better now. Let's go. I don't know why this is called a latte, because it tastes just like normal coffee with milk. That's how good my coffee is.
It tastes like what?
My normal coffee.
No coffee weather. No coffee today. Yeah?
I'm buzzing.
We didn't content the coffee today. We said the content the rainbows.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it. Thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit will profit, oh God. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You know, I haven't had a good.
Hi guys. Okay, so we back from doing mini grocery shopping / grocery shopping, literally. So we went for breakfast. You probably have seen that from the previous clip. And then we went to spa at, what's the name of that thing where we went? Silver Lake Oak. It had oak or something. King Vela. It had oak. Silver Lake Oak. I don't know, bro. But we went there, and then we went to spa to get food for dinner. Yeah, dinner / lunch. We basically skipped lunch. Breakfast. We skipped breakfast because we woke up late. Me. Yeah. Did you have breakfast? You had coffee and chips. Okay, whatever. That's not even proper breakfast, but okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul, like what we bought for dinner and stuff. Let me start. Okay, no. Alice. Okay, I'll just start here. So we bought a bowl of salad bowl. It's just family salad bowl. Family, and you see too, when we don't even eat that much. Well, she doesn't. Huh?
Okay.
So it's a salad bowl. It has your, what's this white cheese going there? Feta. It has feta. Nigga. It has feta and everything. Guys, it has everything you need in a salad bowl. And then we bought pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin cuts. If you're an OG, you know I'm a sucker for pumpkin. I'll have pumpkin in every meal, literally. But yeah, sorry for another day. The lighting is bad. This lighting is bad. Give me charger. I'm concerned. Oh, there's pots here. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I guess you can see me clearly now. I look shiny. I am, but like the light is also like adding on. And then we bought okay, and then we bought sweet corn. Your Sissy has never had sweet corn, so yeah, I'm the plug. I'm always the plug. And then I bought potatoes because mashed potato. And then we bought these, are they kebabs? They're just chicken on stick. They're like large kebabs, you know, like extra large kebabs. So we bought 2 of these because we're not sure if they're large enough to like share or they just enough to like have 1 each. So we bought 2. Yeah, already marinated. This is chicken. Yeah. It's boneless chicken. It's something. Espetata. Whatever, guys. It's that. Boneless chicken. And then we bought Brivors. I don't know what type. Oh, it's Silver Oaks. Not Silver Woods. Not Silver Lakes. Silver Oaks. We were at Silver Oaks, not Silver Lakes. And then that's that. Okay. I mean, we also bought fish oil because we're not sure if they did provide us with one, of which I don't think they did. Let me see. They didn't. Why did I think this was a spray for? Let me just say, we would have died. I bought this for the mashed potato, and then barbecue spice just in case this ain't enough, you know. And then aromats. Do you like your thingies with aromats? Your mashed potato. Okay, I don't like my mashed potato with aromats. I don't hate it though, but like it's my favorite. So I just hoped you would. I don't know. I think there's salt here, so I don't want to buy salt. Do you think there's salt? I don't see any salt. Like I'm hoping there's salt. Well, there isn't any, so. And then I bought parsley because they're cool, you know, because my mash gotta look good for the content. Gotta add some color, you know. Yeah. What? And then now we're going to but like I'm lazy to like sister everything. And then for desserts, I bought a milk tart. Apparently it's both our favorites. I'm surprised she even had milk tarts before. I am shook, but like it is my favorite, and it happens to be her favorite too. That is it your favorite, or do you just eat it? Thought as much. She's had it before. Did you like it? Okay, she liked it, so that's all that matters. But it's my favorite. Even if she didn't like it, I'll eat it alone. I really don't care. I don't mind. And then we bought some jus de roux. It's how I keep on saying I and then remind myself every time I say we. But like, you guys must know, if I say I, it's a we. More than the more like she, whatever. This vlog is gonna be a lot. Okay, GC LaRue, it's non-alcoholic because my girl here doesn't drink alcohol. I'm just hoping they did a mistake, man, and I put alcohol in this so I can see her under the influence. But then, yeah, it's non-alcoholic. I mean, what about snacks? Because this girl likes Doritos. I'm disappointed. Who likes Doritos?
The blue ones.
The blue ones, I'm the worst.
The only thing that matter.
I don't eat Doritos respectfully. Cause why? Oh, Mara, like it's not Doritos per se. I don't like corn chips. Do you get me? Wait, I actually do. I only like cheese necks and knickknacks corn chips. But if it's like your Doritos, Fritos, if they're not cheese flavored, nah. Even cheese Doritos, no guys. I just hate Doritos. What else? Like Fritos, but except what do they sell? They look like Fritos, but they're not Fritos. Corn bites. Those ones. I don't like those ones. But like, yeah. And then Lay's because I mean, no more. And then we bought. I don't know about City Girl, but yeah. And then we bought raspberries. We both haven't tried raspberries. It'll be our first time tomorrow morning. Or should we just try one now? They smell like a vegetable. They don't smell sweet. Let me tell you which one firstly. They smell like pumpkin. They smell like a sweet vegetable. Do you get me? Like raw, obviously, not like cooked. No, they don't smell bad. Don't lie. They just smell like they don't smell like fruit. But what does fruit smell like?
Like you expected.
Yeah, exactly. I'm expecting like a sweet smell. So they don't smell sweet. I don't know if that makes sense. They don't smell sweet at all. Plum. They don't smell like plums, bro. They smell like pumpkin. Taste them. You should see her face. What do they taste like?
This time, it's more big.
Oh, okay. She said it tastes like mruberry. If you don't know what mruberry is, it's blackberries. Is it blackberries? I think so. It's those ones that you get like Mudi Karing, never at the store. They never at the store unless they look different from like Godi Karing. But like, yeah. I'll put a picture if I get them. Oh yeah. Actually.
It makes sense because
They're berries, ne?
yeah.
I wasn't expecting that. I'm disappointed. Oh my gosh. And they're a lot sour, like than mrupir. I don't know. Yeah, they're sour. Also because they. How much were these? Or are they ripe? Are they not? Angazi, oh, but like they taste really, really sour. I'm not impressed. And then we bought pancakes because I'm not in the mood to be making pancakes. But if you know, I'm a master of pancakes, child. Okay, and then we bought grapes. They're so small. These are like mini grapes. Because the other ones, the green ones, were literally way overpriced. And I was just like, why? These are so sweet. If you put it in your mouth, I'm giving you 200 rand.
Sure.
Yeah. If I throw it and it gets in your mouth.
Yeah.
Once, off. No, I don't have 200 rand. I don't have it. How did you do that? Fuck no, I don't have. Okay, I mean, why did you buy so many sachets of coffee? I mean, we bought, well, she bought 4 sachets of coffee.
No, we didn't.
Like, why? I don't even drink coffee like that. Actually, I don't even drink coffee. I do, but like not like that. I know I made coffee this morning for the content, but I'm not a fan of coffee. I don't even drink it, actually. I know I look like I drank it on the video, but I didn't drink it. Yeah, I just don't like coffee. I'm fake. I'm a fake. I'm making content. So yeah, she bought these. And
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Did you like it when you drank it today?
Fine.
It was fine. You'd rather have coffee with milk than not have coffee.
Yeah.
Okay. And then obviously, what is shopping without chocolate? And I say, let me be bougie or whatever and buy some Lindt. Hello, cookies and cream. If you're an OG and you know my favorite chocolate has to have like cookies, like dairy milk cookies flavored. But like every chocolate is my favorite. But like favorite. Like number one, it's the cookies one. And then I bought bananas. For whatever reason. Is that it? Okay, that's it. That's it for my haul. That's it for my haul. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys when I cook supper. Yeah. I'll see you guys when I cook supper. Okay, ciao.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Think about talking behind my back, is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me, this ain't what I want, man, this what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it, thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew, look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit with profit, oh God.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. I'm way up, I feel blessed.
caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a son and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas.
The sun, there is the sun, and we are taking advantage of that and going to the poolside. I'm way too happy for this. I can't even swim. But again, I see Kolapo. That's not what this is about. This is about the fact that we're going to swim. Yeah, it just is Zelela. Yeah, I hope it doesn't get cold or rain either. It can be chill, but like not rain. Because if it rains, then it'll get cold. I mean, at this point, angazi, but like, yeah. Upete that thing. That, yeah. Okay. I have my thingy on, and yeah, with my dress on top of it, because I'm gonna cover up. I was so unprepared. I was so unprepared. But it's because I knew that this weather would have been like this. So there was no need to prepare. But like now that there's a little bit of sun, I thought there was a need. But I guess at least I have a swim costume on. Bought this last year. No, a year before last. And I never got to wear it. Because the place we're supposed to wear it to. We left masks. Imagine. Because we didn't end up going because there was like between the people that we're going to there and whatnot. But this is not what this is about. Stay tuned. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna vlog with my phone in the water. But yeah, good luck to me. Yeah. Woo, ciao. Okay guys, that's the least I can do. If this thing falls over and my phone gets in the water, I will be devastated. Baby, guys. Yeah, I think we must go to the side where there's like this. Like it's not that deep. Because if we fall here, I'm gonna die. I don't know about you. No, be calm, be calm. They said chances of us falling are like 0.007654321. Go! Yeah, one thing about me, I'm a vlog child. Wait, I wasn't supposed to be going there. I don't know if I'm doing this alright, but okay. Wait, where are we going now? I'm tired.
Who's the dominant one now, baby?
Next song. Drowning in the world. I can't swim, by the way. I'm just gonna do this. I'm walking with my hands on the floor. Cause I can't